Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what you have. Open Device Manager, find the network adapter, and read the driver version and date. Once done, go to the OEM or chipset maker and download the exact driver for your OS and architecture, x64 or x86, and save it to a known folder. Make a system restore point now and close non-essential apps. This minimizes conflicts during installation. You're starting with facts, so you can roll back if anything unexpected happens. You install the driver by running the vendor installer as administrator, or by right-clicking the adapter in Device Manager and selecting Update Driver. If you extracted an INF package, choose Have Disk and point to that folder. This avoids installer bloat. Then monitor on-screen prompts and allow reboots when requested. Make sure to check installation logs or Device Manager status for warnings. These tell you if a component failed. Once the install completes, don't rush, confirm the adapter shows as working. You finish by validating connectivity. Run ping to the gateway and a traceroute to a public address, then exercise the network app you need. If problems appear, roll back the driver in Device Manager or restore the system point you created. That returns the previous state quickly. Make sure to inspect Event Viewer for driver or kernel errors and consult vendor release notes if behavior persists. A single key troubleshooting tip: always roll back first, then escalate. It isolates the update as the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.